Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My July Boxycharm by Ipsy is here. So in today's video, we're going to open it up and see what's inside. As always, everything is pulled up on my phone, so let's open up this month's box. This is overflowing, so I'm hoping everything's okay. First item I chose is this INN Beauty Project Glaze Lip Oil in the shade Berry Jam. I've been wanting to try one of their lip products for so long. This smells so good. It smells very like berry, almost like fruit punch, but I was very excited to see this as a choice. So let's swatch. Ooh, this is giving pigment to the lips. On camera it's looking a little darker, but in person it's a very pretty like light pink. And this is what the applicator looks like. By the way, I like these because they're nice and big and they have a little scoop, so it kind of hugs your lip. First up, we have Boxycharm's first choice for me, and this is BYOG's eyeshadow wand in the shade Whimsical Lavender. I love colors like this on my eyes. I love like purplies. Let's swatch. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's very shimmery. I didn't think it was going to be shimmery, but this would be pretty to just pop in the inner corners. Ooh, see? Just like that. And it gives you just like a little pretty kind of glow. My second choice is this by Rosie Jane Missy perfume. So this is, I feel like the way I said this was really confusing, but the brand is by Rosie Jane and the scent is called Missy. So I chose this because the scent sounded really different and pretty for summer. It's Frangie Panny. So this is green mandarin, coconut, and pineapple. It feels like butterfly kisses and sex on the beach. I want to smell, I don't know, it just sounds really pretty for summertime, and this is just a good way to test out a new scent. Oh, it's very coconutty and very, I want to say like the mandarin. I like it. It's really pretty. Perfect for summer. If you're looking for a good summer scent, I think by Rosie Jane Missy would be right up your alley. The second product that was chosen for me is this Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Serum. This is going to hydrate and give your skin some glow. It has green tea and HI in it. Really excited to try this. I love hyaluronic acid. My skin loves hyaluronic acid. I'm also running out of a hyaluronic acid serum that I'm using currently, so I would probably swap that for this. This is stunning. And my last choice is the Beauty Bible, the OG palette. When I saw this was a choice, I clicked that little plus sign so fast. I wanted to try this. I don't know if you're new here. Neutrals and a pop. A dream. I love a bronzy shade. Yes. Cannot wait to put this on my eyeballs. I have her BH Cosmetics palette still, and I love it. I'm just so excited to try this, and the packaging is so pretty. It's like a Cinderella blue. And last is the Beauty Boost, and this is the Fresh Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask. So this has hyaluronic acid, fierce, and it's going to smooth and soften your skin. This packaging is also very heavy. This and the Innisfree, they're like glass. I know these two brands are very good. I've used Innisfree before and really like their products, but I'm very excited to try this mask. Overall, this month's box is really good. It's probably one of my favorite boxes I've gotten in a long time. I'm very excited to try the OG palette from the Beauty Bible. I really like the perfume. I didn't even spray the perfume on me. I sprayed it on the box and I still can smell the scent lingering. I'm very excited to have an INN Beauty Project lip oil in my collection. I'm loving this shade. I think it's so pretty. And this little hyaluronic acid duo, my skin is going to love, and I'm so excited to try this mask out. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. Did we get any of the same products? What did you get differently? I would love to hear. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to follow me for more videos. Comment some videos that you would like to see from me in the future. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!